Something I'm very excited about. I'm privileged to lead in the United States the NHLBI, National Heart, Lung, and Blood Institute MDS Natural History Study. And this is a study in which we're collecting clinical data and actual bone marrow samples and blood samples from 2,500 patients with suspected myelodysplastic syndromes. We want to learn about these patients from the very moment somebody thinks that person may have MDS. If the person does have MDS or has high-risk features that suggest the potential for a future MDS, such as genetic abnormalities, those people are enrolled into a longitudinal cohort where we're going to follow them for years and regularly obtain information about their clinical situation, their labs, and continue to get samples. For patients who don't meet that criteria of having either MDS or something close to MDS, we're going to enroll them in a cross-sectional study of patients with cytopenias who were thought to have MDS to see how many of them eventually evolve into MDS, and as a comparison cohort. It is a marvelous opportunity to have a national biorepository of both clinical data, laboratory data, tissue specimens, and we're scanning in electronically every single bone marrow biopsy to be available for future research studies.